the UAE has done an amazing job to provide healthcare not only to the citizens but also to expats working in the country. So if you are someone that is working in the UAE, even if you are not a citizen, you are entitled or it is mandatory for your employer to provide you with a comprehensive health insurance plan. So once you have this comprehensive health insurance plan, or even if it is a basic form of the insurance, this coverage is going to allow you to visit any hospital and present your issue, or if you need to do any surgeries, your surgeries can be covered by the insurance company. There is a lot of ignorance regarding this issue of insurance because most people don't know that they can actually go to the hospital and they won't even pay anything out of pocket. So sometimes we carry the same mentality or the same things that happens in our countries back home, and we think that those are the same things happening here. Like for example, in my country, most of the payments, medical bills, we pay them out of pocket, right? So because of that notion, when people come here, they don't believe that they can actually go to the hospital without paying anything. Yeah. So lots of people, they have their insurance, they are suffering from problems, but they are not going to the hospital. They are worried that they might be, maybe their hospital is going to bill them a huge amount of money, and maybe this is their small money that they have kept, their money that they have kept for some time now. Maybe they are going to utilize this money for treatment. So most of the people that I've met, they usually say, for example, I had a friend who actually had a problem with the eyes, and he decided to wait until his vacation before he could go to so that he can go to his country and get treatment. Then I was surprised because when I met him, I said, my friend, you don't have to go back home to get treatment for your eyes. You need a cataract surgery, you need a surgery to correct your eyes. So you can go to any hospital here, you get a diagnosis, and the doctor, if they see that you need a surgery, then they are going to apply from your insurance company, and your insurance company is going to approve your procedure. And you're going to go there, you're going to do your surgery, you're going to be taken care of, and everything is going to be fine without you paying anything out of pocket. Okay, but now he said he was still not convinced, and when he got home, they charged him a lot of money. He paid out of pocket from his money that he had. He paid out of pocket. Meanwhile, he would have done that same surgery back in the UAE, covered by his insurance provided by the employer. So this video is just to help you to understand that you have a health insurance plan, and if you are working for an employer without an insurance plan, without an insurance coverage, then you have the right to go to the Ministry of Human Resources to report that. So and once you have your insurance, you know that you are fully covered, you can actually go to any hospital. It is good to go for maybe 6 months checkups to see how your body is functioning. You do some blood work and all that. If you can go every time to check on yourself, to see that you are fine, to see that everything is working well for you. And because there are lots of people that are suffering different stuff. They are suffering, they are sitting in their home, taking Panadol every day, thinking that Panadol is going to be the solution. But you actually need to visit the hospital, even if you feel that you are 100% okay. But at least every 6 months or every 1 year, go to the hospital, do some checkup just to see that your body is fine. Okay? So you need to have, again, remember, you have an insurance. If you're working for an employer with an Emirates ID, you have everything, all your documents, a legit employer, then they must provide you with an insurance, and you can utilize that insurance. There are lots of hospitals in the country, top-notch quality doctors, and you are going to enjoy the service in any hospital that you find yourself. Your issue is going to be taken care of, and your health is going to be a top priority anywhere you go. So I wish you the best. Finally, check yourself, check your insurance, and make sure that if you have any issues, visit the hospital for checkup.